made a Mississippi pot roast. We made a Mississippi pot roast and we put it in a sandwich. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in. Welcome back. Today, we're doing a Mississippi pot roast. Normally, that's done in a crock pot. You just kind of dump everything you see in front of you. Our au jus, our ranch seasoning, butter, garlic, onion. They all kind of get dumped in the pot. You know, you go off to work and you come back and you got yourself a Mississippi pot roast. But today, we're going to be putting it outside on the traeger. We're going to give it some smoke. Then we'll put it in the pot. And then we'll have sandwiches out of it. It's a little too hot to be putting it over mashed potatoes. But we'll be back. All right, so we got our meat. We pulled this out of the freezer. You know, we kind of caught this on sale about a month or so ago. And now, guys, we got our Kinder's salt, pepper, garlic blend. This is some pretty decent stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and put that everywhere. You can't really put too much. So it's everywhere. We're going to let this sit for a few minutes while we go outside and get the grill started. All right, guys, we're set to 225. And we're going to go ahead and turn on super smoke. And we're using cherry from Kingsford. My supermarket by me, they had this bag here for $9. You know, I grabbed a couple. I took the last two that was there. So we're doing cherry, and we'll be back. In goes our meat, and we'll see this in 2 hours. All right, guys, it's been well over 2 hours now, and this is what we got. Albert, she wanted to go like an hour, 45 minutes or so, but we wound up going a little bit further than that. I went to the store, didn't get back in time, but whatever, so we got that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with the, and we're gonna go in with our onions. We got some garlic. Hold on. We're gonna go down with the meat. Go down with the meat. We got our 1 packet of seasoning. One packet of au jus. We got our peppers. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3. Do that much, and a little bit of the juice. Oh, we use that much juice and stuff. And then 1 stick of butter. Right on top. Right, so now we're going to go ahead and go up to 350. Guys, all right, so we're set to 350. Right, and let me give you guys a tip. These are the rest of our apple chips. You notice I didn't fill this hopper all the way up. I could have went all the way up to here so we could have like 8, 10 hours of cooking. So I didn't fill it all the way. I didn't expect to be gone for 2 hours either. So good thing I put a lot more than I normally would. So what I'm gonna do is I've got our Kirkland brand pellets, and I'm gonna put those Kirkland brand pellets up to about where this grate is. Because we're gonna be cooking at 350, we're really gonna go through some pellets. And I don't want to use all my cherry wood pellets. And guys, I want you to take a look at this. I don't know if you could see this, right? Yeah, there's a distinct difference between the two. I don't know if you could tell. This is the apple. This is the apple one. It's a lot darker. And this is the Kirkland brand. I don't know if you can see it, but let's do side by side. Maybe I'm bugging, but look at that. There is a difference. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top this off. All right, guys, so it has now gotten late outside. It's been another 2 hours since we've checked it out, and look what we got. Let me bring you guys in closer. That's our pot roast. That's our Mississippi pot roast. Yes, looking good. Let's go ahead and temp this up. I'm looking for like 205. Hopefully I didn't go over. But, 211, 214. This is sliding right through. It's a little tougher right there, but I think this is going to shred just nice. 209, 213, 214. Guys, this is it. It's going in the house. We'll be inside in a minute. All right, so quick recap. We smoked the meat at 225 for 2 hours. Then we kind of threw everything in the pot for another 2 hours at 350. Now, guys, you can definitely do this in your slow cooker. You can definitely do this on a pot in the oven. So easy. Smoky, delicious. It's really good. So let's get to shredding. Guys, it's shredding really nice and easy. Got a little bit of a slight smoke ring. Guys, this is going to be making some great sandwiches. You know, we also could put this on top of some mashed potatoes if it was wintertime. But guys, here's our flyover. We left everything in the sauce. All right, so let's start building our sandwich. We decided to go down with some provolone. I think that's most appropriate. Probably could use some mozzarella too. That'll probably be really, really good. Fresh mozzarella. So we hope the residual heat will help melt our cheese. And then down with some pepperoncini peppers. They're not too hot at all, so I'll put a couple on there. So with minimal effort, we got a po' boy. We got a Mississippi po' boy sandwich, guys. This came out good. It's delicious. And you know what? I'm definitely making this again. Guys, this is delicious. You gotta make it. It's so easy. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes we're making, and let's get cooking.